say for a little time now, everywhere they train concerning our brother Tony Kabaka. No say they take a me parable say small picky sheet the sheet where it's strong, you still use strong paper. Take clean in yash. As far as say now, wanna share this video, please, brother. As far as say now, my brother Tony Kabaka, those who talk to you, they are your friend, they are not your enemy. As you still be for Edo State, say this kind of something they happen, you not come out address the with the Edo way. Now what is supposed to receive now be this one. As far as say you don't realize your mistake, you don't realize your big mistake, say you're not supposed to talk that word. That is to say, or where I got more guinea digwe. They are the big small picky John the lead down way lead down. And you now not be small picky. Wetin don't happen now, you don't become small picky. Now say it's supposed to be. You go to pray say me fan on one. Me fan do ruama, a fanny or te do ruama when my brother. Well, nevertheless, before I go offer any word, me I first put some music for Widi Edo before I go address our lovely Edo finish with the matter where you come on Edo.
boy. No, you don't need your son. You don't man up what is there. Again, money go to now with your boy. No, you don't need your son over you, boy, your boy. Rules that way, we your go. Go, yeah. I want to come by your quitan. Or where that, or where you are. Or where's the pump when you do our home. Or what you said that. Man, I want to know your son. Who mozo? I got a long river. And when you know, man, what is that? Nula, you put it. Yabome, yabome, go. Yabome, yabome, go. We're not your son. Yabome, yabome, go. Yabome, yabome, go. Yabome, yabome, go. Yabome, yabome, go. We're not your son. Yabome, yabome, go. Yabome, yabome, go. You know, man, no put it there. Oh, you done in your son. Oh, we're going to get there. I did when I have any. Ivan Yogo. Oh, you done in your son. When the money goes to your boy, you know, man, no put it on your boy. Oh, your man will came on. Yaleka. Yaludo. Go to the Banaya Fair. Oh, we're very foul. Oh, by my yaki. Do that way. I'm a part regular. Yabome, yabome, go. Yabome, yabome, go. We're not your son. Yabome, yabome, go. Yabome, yabome, go. Yabome, yabome, go. Yabome, yabome, go. We're not your son. Yabome, yabome, go. Yabome, yabome, go. When I get up, the way I feel the colony, I give a real to a yoga or him. Honor the Doria point. If any man has had your way, don't that walk good way. I make an happy being man. Yabome, yabome, go. Yabome, yabome, go. We're not your son. Yabome, yabome, go. Yabome, yabome, go. We're not your son. Yabome, yabome, go. Yabome, yabome, go. Oh, it's a ninja son. Yabome, yabome, go. Yabome, yabome, go. We're not your son. Yabome, yabome, go. Yabome, yabome, go. Oh, go, and it's your man. Oh, go, and it's your man.
Yeah, my lovely Edo people home and abroad. Una good day. I don't still come Ogboge master. I still come Concerning our brother Tony Kabaka, they don't realize the mistake, whether good or bad. If somebody do something way not dey good, we love person, you will come and talk to them before you will say you will still use your hand to draw and enter house. And we know say many Kabaka friends and brother and sister, the way take come and address with the Edo home and abroad, nobody dey happy. That's why the good people of Edo State will still come and cure am as e be. Without maybe if you not cure am, Kabaka for not know a mistake before Kabaka come know a mistake, say come out, come apologize to with the Edo, say una sorry. If na the way he take talk or the way he take put the matter, say he wrong with the Edo, Mona take everything easy. Mona take everything easy. That's why I say okay, before I will still come out. Now they say radio they talk and say war come, now they say radio they talk and say war don't finish. All the old Edo people home and abroad, I beg you now. We know say our brother wrong. For these few days, we still talk to them in a way where we will still talk to them. I may not always have a bohogbo. Now wetin he talk, now he make us still talk to them. I'll beg you now. As he still come back so, we will still accept him as he be. Not be all person they offend people, he will still come and come back. As soon as he just realize the mistake, he come back. I beg, we will still pardon her as he reach. Before my brother Kabaka, all those go pardon you, but me want to beg you one thing. You know, say what you do not good. You say me, you come back. That's why me even come as so. Many of your friends we even discuss, talk, say we don't say what you do not good. As far as we still talk to you, you still come and beg. That's why we even come and say, but we help you talk to our Edo people, make the evil rest for the matter. You know easy. But you will still think and say, attitude matter, wait, they wrong you. You know, say attitude come out, he lead down, begin they beg you, they beg, Odudu. I for beg you, my brother. As far as I say we don't see forgive you, though you don't see come out, apologize, you will still forgive attitude and make sure you tell them, may they still go return the cost. Let's say the truth. Nobody about the mistake. As far as say you don't come out, come back now, say for your mistake. Attitude, as well as the attitude still make mistake. For because of person wey call her, he still come out and lead down, cry, beg, as see yet no forgiveness. If you know say with the Edo now, you come out and say, "May we forgive you." Everybody say, "Okay, no problem." As I say you don't come out, apologize, but you still get her from my say, may you still get her from my say, attitude matter, may you still forgive attitude. Forgive attitude once and for all to know say this life, nothing dey this life. Wetin God must come down. Everything to rotate by something. You know dream yesterday or day first day say this kind of something you will come across am. If you also some way, that's why now this why you told know people will love you, people will not love you. Those wey quarrel with you, those wey call you name, now all those one be your lovers. Not be those wey say you do am well, you do am well, you do am well. Then they push you to fire. It is a people no will not come and quarrel with you. Say what you do na bad thing. You not go know say you made a mistake. You will think say you are still top of the world. You are Alpha Omega. As far as you don't realize your mistake, all your friends, even the bad people, say we don't know say our brother, our friend don't wrong. But mona still pardon am. A key maybe to put a word for us, we not sabi. Umagwa mweme yuwa or see na yena. They to go mweme yuwa, all those things for not happen. You cannot say a do other people is more than we. Dogu eri aya we boss wa boa. Ediano everywhere. If you zone wa le we yakon. But to we lu enwa. When you are bahasa ni akere. So for that reason, my brother, the same mistake don't make an next time. But you will welcome back now. You not lead down. My brother, you not lead down. You can't apologize to with the Edo, but you not lead down. to know say yeah, really serious, but nevertheless, apologize and apologies. We still accept you as a reach. I'll still beg our lovely Edo people. Those who see if you carry this matter, I beg you now. I beg you now. I just beg you now. I beg you now. Try. Una try as una to try. May God with our ancestors begin to beg you now for the true word we una stand for. Attorney for no know say he made a mistake. Una do well. I beg you now. I still beg you now. I know say it's not easy. For una say, hey, mo just live like that. I beg. No be una enemy. Mo na still look the good side of attorney. Now still look the bad side the way he take talk, but now still go look for the good side. In one part, Attorney is still good for one area. Or the man say he don't do something, but we not remember area where he still dey good. But we would like to cure and to know say wetin he talk he not good. I beg you now, I just beg you now. I beg my brother, I beg my sister, I beg mama, I beg papa. Mona see pardon Attorney. Mona forgive her. I beg you now. Not be all people they wrong. You go come and say you wrong people. So go see the crazy who are you. Wetin wan happen may happen. You don't talk, you don't talk. Ebo de ni na be something na dey cause. Amaya yegan ayawu. Ebo de ni. So as far as say man, you not think of Ebo de na. You not think of Ebo de. You not think of Ebo de. I beg you, I just beg you now. I just beg you. I just beg you now. Mona pardon our brother Tony Kabaka. Mona forgive him. As well as say don't see come beg. I beg you now. Our lovely Edo people home and abroad. Mona leave him. I beg. Mona pardon him. You not go try next time. You don't realize the mistake. You don't realize the mistake. You not go talk him again. He suppose know the kind of person where he be for Edo. Tony Kabaka, may I still repeat again. You supposed to call the ATM machine, no molest, Chaba, the many total people where they Benin. We now still organize on ourselves for Benin because of this oil money where they come. So to make sure we now take the settle, our youth where they involve for kidnapping, robbery, they will see something take they engage yourself. And then Topolo and that useless I bet you they do. We are too big. We go to buy down for all those our slave. We go to submit to our slave. We call your land, come fish. Anybody where they get mad, say I saw they want this one. As you be now, Kabaka. Not be said that they go hide for you. They call you say Kabaka, calling growth. All those Tipolo, Dag, all those this fat belly. I bet you we not good way they talk nonsense to with the Edo because of all year we not get. If they call you say Kabaka, mo will meet for ring, mo will fight man to man. Before a second, you go load down now. You go load down. Or they will call ATM machine. Say ATM machine, mo will see for ring road. ATM machine go load them. Or they will call them molest or Chaba. Or me where they talk to Efosa. Uwelu got TV. I go load them. They'll just start from one place begin they get mad. Now go be the fear them. Me na remember say na law na it guide us for Nigeria. Anything government say this law na so it be. All those people there be zero. There be zero. Once government pronounce just now say these people anywhere they dey make they bring them to book. They go bring them to book. They go bring them to book. That's why they pray me war no come. Once war come, these people not go make sure they will more than say now war to country. No, this one are state, country to country, state to state. They don't have any voice. Now calamity problem na problem now they cause. Problem to problem with calamity now they cause. Because of there is suffer money. Now that one they take the sustain. Why una not dey sustain una self for Benin? More than say they get the money to dey sustain our brother and sister. We not get hard work. We they commit themselves for one chance, kidnapper, enemy for Edo State. The way that they engage their youth, more than say they engage una youth for Edo State, Kabaka, una too big. Coming from Europe now, organize yourself well. May we the Edo State get our ODC so that our youth see something to enter pocket so that they not going to involve for any crime. Now so you see be my lovely Edo people. I beg my brother Kabaka, may you still forgive Atiti. Tell them say make they go return the cause. Otherwise, as soon as you don't apologize to with the Edo now, Atiti see you apologize, you say no, not be so. When somebody wrong somebody, you come beg. Agbomodagi the digwe. I beti lao. Once you don't come beg, now to forgive. I beg our Edo people home and abroad. Wala wo ye do never wame. Wa to wa ekpe wa gmo. Omo kanunu wa. With the way you people stand up and make sure we react to the voice, the bad voice where our brother Tony Kabaka bring come out. You go and see use K when I abole ye ko wa wese kakabo. No unu wa wala wo obe na diana do yimia. Na me ekitu abine. Me no be gwan me be gwegwan. But no way ya yimia we yes for Kabaka to come out apologize. Or anyway yes that word or did think igbe ni ata. That word ni eta no mama you wase. Na la wo we do iro wa ni risi. Na we me forgive me in Tony Kabaka. For Tony Kabaka we me forgive me in Atiti. So ni wa ni pe the no ya inwia e ba me akpe to our people. Na ya me forgive me in Tony Kabaka wa to wa akpe obenege kai. Wa no unu wa ge wa o.
I'm here to do this video to appeal and apologize with all my mind that if that video that I did was so, as in, don't take it so far. I'm your son, I'm your brothers, I'm your brother, but you people know when it comes to Edo struggle, I don't play with it. When it comes to the tradition, I don't joke with it. You understand? Changing the narrative, making me feel like I'm a bad person, I'm evil, I'm so that is not the answer. I don't know if you understand. You out there, I know men, a lot of you that don't know me so well. I don't know if you understand me. You a lot of you that don't know me so well. I'm not that kind of person you think. I cannot play with my traditional institute. There's no money, there's no amount. If it will ranch my life, I take it. I don't know if you understand. So my brother, Oba Atope, Obi Oba Obi Sisi, Romanti, Yamewe, and PC Gualo, only mommy we be jogging I do. We know the judgment in river, the judgment in the Yaro. Got federal government in my implement. I don't know if you understand. And these people have been living with us. After crisis, peace will still reign. I don't know if you understand. We don't want people to die in Edo. We want peace. That is why I did that video. If the video I did, he was so angry about it, a lot of people were angry about it. I'm here to say I'm sorry. I'm your son. I'm here to say I'm sorry because it's just peace. I want peace to reign. Because a lot of things happening in Benin. Before you know, they will start mentioning, please. That is why I did that for peace to reign. Does not warrant that somebody that you gave house to be your house will be now be the owner of your house. You people, I even said it in that video that Oba, we have one Oba in Edo, we have one governor in Edo. So people changing the narrative and people clamoring all those enemy to the land that is trying to use my video to capitalize on what they are doing. Please, took my video out of your problem. Please, took my video out of your problem. This is Asari, you throwing man to the monarch. I saw a lot of video people were sending me that you know where Asari was doing this, and you know where. So I felt so bad with your age and this your standard. You don't need to be greedy. It's a thing that you are passing this on to. We don't want to boom on crisis. We don't want to. You are triggering war. It's not everything is not about war, and nobody is afraid of war. I don't know if you understand. Me, I'm saying this. I'm not afraid of war.
If you're doing no woman, in a Tony na ye, one of being mature, but okay, do I feel like a word to address people? Yes, because sometimes words is sort of not low by word, you know. I wanna do take a or I get a CB, but nevertheless, that can't a word up or just enough forgive and that will because I can't do him. Oh, you forget about Atoni Tokubo, I bet to normal money. Forget, you are talking to your Edo people. You are addressing your Edo people where you wrong. We already know all those people. They are all problems because of the way oil money is coming to them. When we try to organize your state like that so that the oil money will be coming to the youth. Not only chop alone and go alone. We don't need that one. We don't need that much money. While we're open ballot to our people to be getting money in our youth too. So that many crime will be stopped. While we don't get no cuttings, nothing, most of the robbery and kidnapping don't less for it though. But what we organize it so that the youth will sustain it in a way. Any sustain it boss ya. Ma be ave gbe boss you ri don't have power boss ma awa. So my brother, in case of KCT, Imatter when you la then you apologize but oye maybe na igwo mo ye ta yo ma gbekere but we wa apologize to with the case of next time we if your momo when we have advice or we boyin wa apologize in a way straight direct. Wa apologize not to put other word to word, not to wear your enemy. Who's your enemy? Your enemy is not with the those. Your enemy is for the people who will be supporting it. In your video where to make sure where I do the story of Obaseki. Very. I do the story of Obaseki. When I found the story where like the story of Obaseki. And your name is not Obaseki. Obaseki betrayed their those. And I do a story where Guinea. These are the people, your enemy. Now they be your enemy. Not be with the way cause say the truth. I tell you where you for wrong. You understand? If people don't understand that language now, they will be thinking that making because of the people not go everyone always interfere. No, not we. I will use on a good one, use on a good one. Because most of them, the way they carry your video art, do I translate it? Hey, you boy, you know, just to put fire to you, to your problem, to your enemy problem. That's why we the donors stood up and make sure where we stand for our rights. You don't have enemy in Edo. The enemy you get no bad fire away concerning this world. Or your Niger people, all those Uzon people. Nowhere your friend. The way they carry your video, that your video, the way they online. That is where the problem, that is where DJ with the Edo were. Yes, you are among of them. So where there's no problem. As far as your apologize, it's apologies. But nevertheless, if you can do it 2 times or 3 times, it's not too bad. Not only 1 time because or why you will be where the good people of belong to Kabaka, a good friend of Kabaka, please. Why we guladian, why we video we ya de Why we buy ya we wala if you're doing it, I'm a friend to Kabaka. Mama supported me no tani wala why I forgive her or tan or you know why I forgive her. Try to know a good friend. Wala if friends of belong to Kabaka, why we buy the or what are you think Adi Calabar? Hari fire, why you go see in Benere. When I know say Kabaka will have good friend. He wrong for some days ago. As I say, call apologize, I'm gonna see Jonah apologize to with the those and make sure our papa and mama, where is the vet, near Mo Uyoto, Wala Wo, if you're doing one risi, those Kabaka friends, Eve Gugwani, Wawi Ladian, Wawi Yani Kabaka, Mana Mo, Mowi Ladiana, do where you the Bible apologize to with the do, even if you do Why Rosi, no Mo, why Mo Yoto, Wala Wo. Ebi ke we afe no why e no ta no magitase why ya make to ane o very alade mistake ne egbe we wa we Kabaka la do yimia e ba no wana be surprise well yes agele say manedo edo arun pa meti aibo Kabaka no way yes you pa ka meti say mani edo ya fe ona la do yimia we na la wo na yo kin e bien iwe gbe pe again.
My brothers and sisters, I'm here to do this video to appeal apologize with all my mind that if that video that I did was so, as in, don't take it so far. I'm your son, I'm your brothers, I'm your brother, but you people know when it comes to a do struggle, I don't play with it. When it comes to the tradition, I don't joke with it. You understand? Changing the narrative, making me feel like I'm a bad person, I'm evil, I'm so that is not the answer. I don't know if you understand. You out there, I know men, a lot of you does not know me so well. I don't know if you understand me. You a lot of you does not know me so well. I'm not that kind of person you think. I cannot play with my traditional institute. There's no money, there's no amount. If it warrants my life, I take it. I don't know if you understand. So my brother,
so for that reason, he posted new and as far as he just apologize with the Edo, please, brother, sister, oh no muwa gbadabe and wavie goto. Ola owo, David Damiona.
Ijo is not in Warri South local government.
Okay.
So no matter the threat of violence, no matter the threat of force, you cannot change what does not exist, cannot be made to be in existence. And I want to speak directly to Tom Polo and to Matthew Tonlaga. These guys are our friends, they pretend to be our friends, they go behind to do things. The one way una do don't reach Tom Polo. Una don't take, so take. I beg, make una not stretch and come Warri South.
Okay.
You guys should limit yourself to what you have already collected by force in Warri Southwest and Warri North. Here, we will not allow it. We will not allow it. Ijo no dey Warri South. We all grew up in this town. We know who is who. Nobody can say there's no Agbara in Warri. Nobody can say Ejeba no dey there. Nobody go say Kredu Robo no dey there. Nobody go say Krede Shekiri Ugori Ugoangwe. We know ourselves.
Okay.
Name one in your village here.
Okay.
No.
Also with the Edo.
So this is what we are saying. You now come by force and you are doing all these things. It's not fair. If we say they should go and create communities for Urobo in Warri Southwest, will they agree? No, tell me now. If we go now to Warri Southwest, to Kurute and all those places that they have seized that does not even belong to them, and say let's carve out places for Urobo there, will they accept? So why do they think they will come here and lord it over us? It doesn't make sense. Please stay where you are and let us breathe. I beg, make una let us breathe. That's all we are appealing to you.
Now see, this is the way Kabaka supposed to organize our people, to address all those Uzon, to address them that Edo is not their land. They come here to come and fish. And after they finish fishing, they have to go back. We cannot go to Delta, go to Nineveh to go and create a do this thing there. It cannot possible. So, well, in case of next time, my brother Kabaka, you still have a long walk to walk. Undermine, you say you don't make the mistake, you don't realize your mistake. When you go back to Benin, know where to start from, and know where to address our Edo youth, and make sure organize your people, and make sure Edo they receive money. All those people, they don't do the stress, for all where all year day. They want you occupy all Nigeria finish because of Wetin. Abao, my brother, may you still occupy your state. Now so it be, my love you Edo people. May Papa God begin to bless you now. For those who still call what this video, Mona still share them. Mona put love and like. Mona see right what is supposed. The way we will still forgive this our brother. He don't wrong, he don't apologize. There's nothing like he apologize. But my will not make banner in here, I will make it to an end. You have a year where you have a problem, you go to the court. When the court judge asks you, say, you know, so you are wrong. You say, yes, I'm sorry, my lord. It may be the case is warrant to go to whether 10 years imprisonment. But as I say, the judge look and say he don't accept, he don't realize the mistake. He go say, well, he go still pardon her. Small. He go still pardon her. He go still pardon her, say, yes. Okay, instead of 9 years or 5 years, he go say, okay, go and spend 6 months to know, say, yeah, you don't realize your mistake. But as far as all those one be, I beg you now, if you leave, wala wo. If I have any go on your wala wo, wala make it to an wala, avec blessed. If you the way you react to it. A Kabaka is not your enemy. It's your brother, it's your friend, it's your elderly brother. But the way, the way you love with your those, the way you love our culture, that's the way you stand up. And many of our brothers and sisters, may God bless you now. But as far as you have a ladane for pity, wala wawe pardon wala wo iwa bi miwa wawe se wa be nege kai we get we video now over now because of me can we when you are megbe nwina so lo ba bi your bit on no de ba wa no ma o we wa re we bo eri fianfo o we wa de o we wa kan we ari wa ibatu wa eyi ka so wa ho wa ayi ye petu wa be ya ka ko ari wa ho wa iya de ga no de we osala de we wa ya de no wa do kwa de we bo ojuwo wa serious about with the do we wa ya mweme do gba wa ri mwegba wo wa mwegba re mi ame no manoro wa kan ami ebi no ma wa kan ami uto wa kan ami wo bi ayi ko wa gbe oko ko wa gbe o ma ra we no ma gba wa na te wata o we ni do ya gbalu wa menunu ogbo wa ni wa to agbon wa la wo na we pardon my brother Kabaka, we are not your enemy. Always we gbegbe no nya esin e no taze wo na mudado ya magwegwa kero de ade anado are me by the past ten. But the only thing also no owo no was our view we pardon atiti. We pardon atiti ni make sure we wrong donor. We do la donor do yimia. They don't want to forgive you. We forgive you and not wrong you were. That's why forgive atiti and make sure you permit when you are selling a body. If you rock baragbona, agbona do maybe agbona be so boy. I may not fail you. Can when I say Nigeria or can Nigeria to say we bo or who up by agbore or you went oh we will be agbon. The property in a body. He have a good ori wuku. Error. Or metil the friend family day. But the property in your with what long already and no property nare. It cannot be possible. Not really any wuku. So you look barak bono wa ga beg you no buna NCI. Wa ga beg you no buma wrong you wa ga have forgiveness in name wa ga have hito. Anyway we na where you wrong una we la dona do yimia. O salo ba we ni ka. No ri o boka we ko. Na we gbe push we ye e me dan ata. E gbe push we ye no magba. Ko we say no we advance as a father. Riwa we ye ibudo we say we na. Imio the video no ya imia solo boy ni ka o we pass yo o we tabe manibu iwe mo walao pa me hitwa walao o me pardon ne wala wo abi rabi yin wala wo wa to wa pe e ma ye do watch me na wa bi yo bitwa no de ba wa no ma e ke wa ri ari boy no we dino denu wa we se kakabo